Today, I'm going to show you how to use custom elements in Wix, and step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and let the editor fully load. On the left side, click Add Elements. This is where you can access all the different building blocks for your site. Scroll down and look for Custom Elements or Embed, depending on your editor version. Click on it to place a custom element on your page. Now, you can add HTML, embed codes, or other third-party widgets. Take your time to adjust the size, position, and style so it fits perfectly with your website design. You can also connect the custom element to interactive features, like buttons or links, to make it functional for your visitors. This gives your site a unique, personalized touch. Once you're happy with the placement and settings, make sure to save your work. And that's it. Your custom element is ready to use on your Wix site. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.